Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea and today I'm going to make this gorgeous little Any Occasions card. It's made using the hand delivered stamp set and the Broadway Bound Speciality DSP. I've started off with a normal 6x4 real red card base, although I think this may be Poppy Parade, it might not be real red, so I just have to get a drink. So thirsty. And this is 4x8 folded in half, so that's 20.3 centimetres by 10.2. 20.3 centimetres folded at 10.2, and it's 15.2 deep. Then I've got a layer of Whisper White. All of these I've edged off with this little woodware punch. It's a little sort of corner rounder with a notch in it. I love it, it's my favourite because it's just so handy to use. I know Stampin' Up do the triple now, but it's just kind of so cumbersome, and this is just so easy. I still wish they just did a normal corner rounder. Anyway, so there you go. So I've rounded off the base and all four, obviously on this side only, and I've done all four corners of the Whisper White. The Whisper White is 1/8 of an inch or 0.3 of a centimetre, 3mm smaller on both sides than the card is. Then I've used this gorgeous cardstock, which again is 0.3 of a centimetre or 1/8 of an inch smaller than the white layer. And then I've used this different DSP from the same stack, and I've just cut a 1-inch strip by 5.5 inches. So that's 2.5 centimetres by 14 centimetres. And I used a punch just to get this little shape at the bottom, but you could just cut that in. And I've rounded the top of that off. That's going to go there. And then I've got a piece of real red which measures 3 5/8 by 2 5/8. So that's 9.2 centimetres by 6.7 centimetres. And then a piece of Whisper White, and again I've rounded the corners on both of these, and a piece of Whisper White which measures 3.5 by 2.5 inches. So that's 8.9 centimetres by 6.4 centimetres. And they're just going to stick on there. And what I've done is I've just stamped using the hand delivered, and I've used the skirt. I just did it in black, and then I put this stripy skirt on top of that, and I just coloured that in with Old Olive. I used this, which I stamped in black, and Let's Celebrate You, which I stamped in black. I did want to make this Happy Birthday, but you can't fit Happy Birthday on the board she's holding up. So I could put Happy Birthday inside. So, right, I'm just going to stick it together. I'm going to put it mainly with Tombow because these cards need to be pretty flat. And there's Love Celebrating You. There's a simple, really simple, straightforward card that can be used for any occasion. Okay, birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, graduations even, anything. I'll just show you the rest of the cards in this series. I don't know what order they come in now. I think this was the last one. The one before it was this one. Then we had this one, and this one, and then we had this easel fold, this one. Okay, so you can go and check out. They've each got a video and they're all in the playlist. The playlist is called, and also my last 7 Afternoon Delight projects are also in the playlist. So that's what they're called, by the way, Afternoon Delights, because they're just really quick and simple, delightful little tutorials that I upload at 2 PM each day when I'm doing one of my seasons. And I'm doing my second season at the minute, so one more to go and we're done.